One of the greatest financial innovations of the 20th century wasn't the ETF, it wasn't the index fund, it was the real estate investment trust. Before these structures existed, institutional quality real estate was largely reserved for the wealthy, banks, insurance companies, and large institutions. Then something remarkable happened. Ordinary investors could finally participate. For more than 60 years, that model worked extraordinarily well, but it was built for a very different world. A world without the internet, without instant communication, without digital settlement, without real-time reporting, and without practical fractional ownership of individual assets. The technology simply didn't exist. So the solution was elegant. Bundle hundreds of assets into a single company, then let investors buy shares of the company instead of the properties themselves. For its time, it was brilliant, but technology has changed. Today, information moves globally in seconds. Capital moves digitally. Ownership can be tracked electronically. Reporting can happen in real time. So it's worth asking a simple question. If we were designing the system today, would we build it the same way? Suppose an investor wants exposure to one apartment community, one hotel, one solar farm, one logistics facility, or one piece of critical infrastructure. Today, that investor is often forced to buy an entire company or an entire portfolio instead. They're buying the wrapper, not the asset. The performance of that individual property becomes mixed together with management decisions. Corporate structures, portfolio allocations, index flows, interest rates, and countless other variables. The asset disappears inside the portfolio. BRIX starts from a different premise. What if individual real-world assets could become directly investable? Instead of asset, fund, investor, the model becomes simply asset, investor. Owners gain access to new sources of capital. Investors gain precision. Transparency improves, price discovery improves. The objective isn't to replace existing structures. Just as ETFs didn't eliminate individual stocks, the goal isn't to eliminate traditional real estate funds. The goal is to expand investor choice. Public real estate funds democratized ownership of diversified portfolios. BRIX seeks to democratize ownership of individual assets. The industrial age created one solution. The digital age may create another. PGR Capital originates opportunities. BRIX Exchange provides the marketplace. Real estate like it's 2026, not like it's 1966. BRIX Exchange, real estate on-chain. Visit brix-exchange.com to register your account and access our most recent offerings. Click link in bio.